Understanding Address Line 2, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used but often misunderstood part of filling out addresses. Address Line 2. Whether you're filling out forms online or sending a letter, understanding this part of the address is crucial for effective communication. Address line 2 inches refers to the part of an address form where additional information, not included in the first line, is added. This might include apartment or suite numbers, building names, or directions like opposite the park. It's used to give more precise location details that help in delivering mail accurately. Use address line 2 inches for extra details. If you live in an apartment, for example, your apartment number goes here. It's also where you add any special delivery instructions. Remember, if all your address fits on the first line, you don't need to use address line 2. Let's see some examples. 1. 123 Main Street, Apartment 4. 2. 456 Elm Street, Building B. 3. 789 Oak Street, behind the gas station. In each case, address line 2 inches helps clarify exactly where you are located. Avoid putting essential information, like your street name, in address line 2. Always start with the most important details on the first line. Also, don't use address line 2 inches for non-address information like phone numbers or special requests. I hope this clarifies what address line 2 inches is all about. Remember, it's there to help ensure your mail reaches you without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.